Prom is April 18th. No amount is too small. So yeah, them other TBGs are not here. See, look who on time, big fella. Look who was on time. Watch out now. Okay. I'm getting back. Okay, give me my props today. Okay. I ain't missed a beat today. But now, CC will be in a little late if she make it. I know she had a funeral to go to this morning. Um, and speaking of funerals, our guests today are here to inform you guys about the importance of life insurance. Okay, Quintella, let me know who you got with you today.
Well, this is my supervisor. I'm gonna let him
Speaking to the
introduce himself.
speaking to the mic. Pull it
This is
towards
my
you.
supervisor. I'm gonna let him introduce himself.
My name is Anthony Martin, and I represent Kemper Insurance Company, and just here to talk to you guys about some life insurance.
Now, what insurance company is it?
Kemper Insurance Company.
Okay. How long have they been around? I don't think
Well,
I've heard. I think when she told me about it, I want to say that was the first time I heard the name, so I
well,
wasn't too
Kemper
sure.
actually used to be another name here in St. Louis City, but when Kemper took over, we just kept the same program going, and everything's the same except the name has changed, and we may have changed a little procedures, but Kemper's been around for over 100 years now
Oh
and
wow.
serving the black community for over 100 years.
Cool, cool, cool. Now, what separates you guys from the rest?
Well, we're a home service company. A lot of companies, you have to go online in order to get a quote or to get some prices and get an agent. We're home service. We actually go into the home and sit down with the family and get to know the family, become real personable with the family, and just offer the best option that's best for the family to protect that family.
Okay, okay, okay. Now, Quinn, you've been dealing with the insurance for quite a while now.
Yeah, I'm working on my fourth year. I'm in
Fourth
my
year?
3 year
Okay.
area now, so I'm working up to my fourth.
Now, what made you want to switch over to insurance?
Okay, so as you know, others may not. My professional field has always been children and daycare. So I had a daycare for almost 20 years. It was actually my sister that passed in 2024 that said, "Hey sis, I think you should get into insurance because that's what she did." She was
Okay.
on the broker side of it. Um, and she just, because I was planning on leaving St. Louis, and the idea was when I moved down to Kansas with her, I work in the insurance and the other jobs that she had. So unfortunately, it's around COVID. Got stuck here doing lockdown. So I did not renew my licenses and stuff with my daycare and all that other stuff. And I wasn't gonna go back do the classes and to start over
Yeah.
with that. It was like I'm gonna go ahead and put the effort in, get my license, with the intent to still go to Kansas, which never happened.
Okay.
But things just worked out the way that it was supposed to. Cause long story short, he ended up running into a friend of mine that was asking about if she knew someone who wanted to do insurance, and she thought of me, and here we are today. So
Okay.
God just have a way of changing things for
You
you.
right. You definitely right about that. It was sure you think you going down one path. You gonna say, nah, I'm gonna throw a
Way
curve in
different.
there.
I
You know
would
what
have
I'm saying?
never thought that I would like no longer be working with children and teaching, teaching the children
Right.
into doing something a little bit different. But like she said, you love people and you have a passion for wanting to help people. This would be great for you. And wow, she knew what she was talking about.
Okay, okay. So it's been 4 years now.
Almost.
What? Oh,
We're working
almost
on the
four
fourth.
years. So do you guys have life insurance and home insurance?
Well,
Yes.
Okay.
yeah, we do, but we don't actually cover structures anymore. We only do content.
Okay.
In case of fires in your apartment and burglary and theft, we'll do that as well. But
Liability.
liability, we do have a liability product in case somebody hurt themselves in your home.
Oh, okay.
But basically, our company focuses on life insurance.
Okay. Now, what is the difference between term life and whole life?
Well, you want to
I
talk
could
about?
take it. Well, term is set to expire at a certain time. Permanent is long lasting. So I often get people that's confused on the two of them. I'm not saying one is more better than the other because they both have a place. They both are needed. However, it's just about what it is you're looking for to know what it is you're needing to get. So if you're looking for something, because you're going to get a higher amount with a term, probably for a smaller premium, but it's set to expire at a certain time.
Okay.
Whole life is going to be a little bit more expensive, but that's because it's ongoing.
Gotcha.
So that's the difference between the two.
Now, which one can you borrow money off of both or just one?
Well, that'll be permanent that you borrow the money on.
So it's
and
permanent. Is that the whole?
That's the whole.
Okay.
Permanent
Okay.
is
Yeah,
whole.
that's the whole life.
Okay.
Yes, I mean by law we gotta tell y'all that I don't necessarily be recommending to do that.
You don't recommend a whole?
No, I don't recommend like borrowing money off the policy.
Oh, off the policy.
I've just
okay.
seen a lot of people lose their policy that way. That's why I'm
Right.
saying it.
Right. If
But-
they borrow and don't
I-
pay it back because it is a
Exactly.
loan.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of people think when they borrow money from their policies that they're taking money out of the policy, which is not what is happening. You're borrowing money from the company and they use that cash value as collateral.
Exactly.
So if that collateral, if you don't pay on that loan and the interest eats up the cash value,
You lose it.
you lose the collateral. Once it go to zero, the company has nothing to back that loan up anymore. They just cancel that policy out. And that's all insurance companies, you know.
So that's the scam of it then.
It's
Well,
really not a scam.
It's not really a scam because what it is, it's a living benefit. You know, life insurance is it has a whole life insurance has a death benefit and a living benefit. So the living benefit is that it does build up cash value, but by no means is life insurance a savings vehicle. You can't use it as a savings vehicle, and we can't promote it as a savings vehicle.
Okay.
It is a protection that you purchase for a monthly protection. You pay a monthly premium, and we protect you that month. So therefore, as long as you're paying your monthly premium, you'll have that protection. So I mean, if you look at it, like if you get a policy for $20,000 and you're only paying $20 a month, if a company issues that policy in the first month, then it only costs you $20,000.
Blanco? I'm listening to you.
Yeah, it only costs you $20, to purchase that policy. But once the policy is issued, if that person dies the next month of sudden death, then the company only receives $20 of premium, but they're going to have to pay out $20,000 to that beneficiary.
Okay, wait a minute. So you said if a person expires a month later, I thought that you have to be into your policy for at least a year though.
No, that's not true. That's not true. People with illnesses, they can't get standard rated policies. They
Okay.
get rated policies. If you have an illness, then, your premiums may be a little bit higher, and you'll have to wait a 2-year waiting period before you get the full benefit of the policy.
Wait a minute. That's only people with illnesses?
Only people with illnesses.
Really?
Yeah.
I think she's
Okay.
speaking of the incontestability clause within the policies, because if something was to happen within that 2-year prior, of
Right.
getting it, the
Right.
company, it just says it reserves the right to go into your medical history to check
Oh,
everything down.
okay.
It wasn't saying that it wouldn't pay the policy.
Right.
Got you.
It's just saying they finna do their due diligence to make sure
Right.
that everything was did
Right.
correctly, and it holds the right to do it. So that's what I'm thinking you probably mean
Yeah,
when
yeah,
they say
that's
Yeah,
what I was
that
speaking of,
contestability
yeah.
period is a 2-year period, and that's on all insurance policies. And that protects insurance companies in case a person know they're terminally ill and they gave false information, and the insurance company issued the policy, then they die a month later.
Right.
The 2-year contestability period allows them to just go deep into your background to see if anything was wrong with you before you sign that application.
Now, what if it's a situation to where the person was recently diagnosed and then with something, and they like, well,
Well,
now
long as they
thinking
didn't know.
that-
Long as they
now
didn't
thinking
know.
I need some insurance, and then they purchased that insurance, and 4 months later, they were sicker than what they thought, and they passed. What about those type of
Well, if
situations?
they pass from that diagnosis, if they pass from that, then that would be a contestable issue. But if the person signed the application and took the application out on the 1st of the month, and then they got diagnosed on the 5th of the month, and the policies was issued before the 5th, then they didn't know about that illness.
Got you. Okay. No, I was speaking more so like, okay, say it's January. someone gets diagnosed with an illness this month.
That's what they have
And
guaranteed issue policies
oh,
for,
okay.
or do we still call
Right.
it
Then
that?
they become high
A
risk.
graded policy.
Yeah,
right,
it's a,
and
it's a
then
graded
but that's what I'm
policy.
saying.
Yeah.
Then they take out insurance, or not even that they get diagnosed. Say something's going on with them, and the doctors really don't even know, because
Well,
a
you
lot
got
of
diagnosed
times
then.
you don't know at
Mm-hmm.
first, but then they say, "Oh, well, we think it's this, or we think it may be that," but they
Mm-hmm.
still doing a test. But then the person like, I probably need to go ahead and get some insurance. I don't have any insurance, or I let my insurance lapse a year ago or whatnot.
Right.
And so they pick up that insurance. And now it turns out that they're sicker than what they thought or what the doctors knew, because a lot of times people are misdiagnosed as well. Or they might say it's not nothing wrong with you, you know what I'm saying? But they check down that, okay, whatever the doctors say that they had. So now 4 months later, they pass. Will they family be able to cash in that policy to bury them?
So that depends on the policy if they were able to get the standard issue. So when they run your social, they doing a soft background check. It pretty much check like medical things, medications and stuff that you are taking.
Okay.
So depending on that, it will let us know if you're able to get a standard policy versus we need to give you a graded policy. So chances are if you get a graded policy anyway, it's already covering that you have a pre-existing situation.
Okay.
And it already has its own standards for it as far as the 24-month time period that it have to pass in order for it to even pay out.
Okay.
Which also, if something was to happen before that time period, they just give you all your premium that you paid, plus they give you an interest on top of what it is that you paid on that.
So you don't lose any money
No
on
money
the
is lost
guaranteed
on it.
issue for the first 2 years.
Gotcha.
And even if it's a standard policy in the contestability period, they prove that the person was ill and they didn't tell the insurance company, they
Yeah.
still will refund them their money back.
Oh, wow. Whatever they paid into
Whatever
it.
they paid into it. they'll
All right,
refund
now,
their money
y'all, we
back.
talking about life insurance, the importance of it, and the breakdowns of it. If you have any questions for these guests today, you can always call the hotline 515-599-1687. Any questions you have, because a lot of us that don't deal with insurance, whether we got it or not, we don't know. We don't understand. We just know we paying our money. You know what I'm saying? I always heard that the whole term was greatly needed, like if you're a felon. Cause like when I used to pay my ex-husband policy, I had to get whole term insurance on him when we got married because he was a felon. Why is that though?
Well, a whole and term, those are two different policies. There's the whole life, then there's the term life.
Now the whole is the permanent, right?
The permanent insurance, exactly. And term insurance is temporary insurance. And that's how I like to describe it, because term insurance is cheaper than whole life insurance because it doesn't build up any cash value, and it does terminate at some time in the future. So it's temporary insurance, and you want to use term insurance to cover like mortgages and just in case a person died, to replace some income of a wife or spouse. That's what term insurance is mostly used for. But permanent insurance is for that final expense when you know you're going to pass away. Because one thing's for sure, we are going to pass away someday. So permanent insurance is there for that final expense right there, taking care of your funeral bills, taking care of any credit card, outstanding debts that you might have.
Now, but that is true though, that felons have to have whole insurance?
I would think different companies have different guidelines for that.
Okay.
It's basically, it's not a law that says that. It's basically up to that company how they would approach that situation.
So it's just a salesman, basically. Basically.
Right.
So you get more commission or something, like if you get somebody to sign up for the whole?
That's true. That's
Okay.
true. Whole life usually is a higher commission than term.
Gotcha. Now, also, I had called you before I asked you about this, Quinn. So I have a relative that recently allegedly committed suicide, and I always thought that you could not cash out on your policy if a person commits suicide, but his wife was able to still get a percentage of the policy. How is that though, if it was ruled as a suicide?
Well, again, those right there are company by company basis how they would word the provision in a policy about that. Most companies will allow a policy to be active for 2 years, and if a person committed suicide, they'll go ahead and pay the death benefit.
Okay.
But then some companies may prorate it as well, first year, second year, third year, fourth year. So I think it's based off of whatever that company put in their provisions on that policy contract.
Okay. Okay. That makes sense. Okay. Interesting. So do your company pay out?
We do. If our company, they changed it recently, but the most recent one, the latest one that I was privy to is the 2 year. After 2 years, if suicide was committed, then the company would pay the benefit out.
After 2 years?
After 2 years of the
Oh, being paid.
active.
Okay, being active.
Being active.
Now, what if if a person already pays for like to be cremated, or already have their burial plot paid for, so will their child or beneficiary, whoever, instantly get their payout, or do they still have to go through a process like their stuff is already paid for?
Well,
Technically,
life insurance you assign a beneficiary to that life insurance, and whoever that beneficiary is, that money goes into that beneficiary.
Oh, okay.
Now, if the beneficiary want to use portion of that proceeds to pay for the funeral, then they have to sign that portion over to the funeral home. And the funeral home would get their portion, and then the beneficiary get what's left.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like if a person already got their stuff paid for, so it's not a hold up of the beneficiary getting their money.
No, all insurance companies, most insurance companies I know will pay out once they get the death certificate.
Oh, okay.
Once the death certificate come in, they'll cut a check to whoever the beneficiary is.
Explain to the people why it is so important to jump on this early.
Price.
Okay.
Flat out price. The younger, the better premium you're going to get. Unfortunately, especially in our community, we're so behind in the concept of insurance to where they're generally waiting until something happened to make them want to get it. Sometimes it's a death in the family, and then, emotionally, everybody want to get it, and then probably some months later they drop it.
Okay.
And then we repeat the cycle, back again with that. But if everybody had the ideal that when they have that child, put that insurance on that child while that premium is low, and they got paid up policies and stuff now.
And that's one benefit of our company. A lot of companies don't offer paid up policies. We do.
Yeah.
And that means that you'll stop paying that premium at some point in the future, but you'll own that policy for the rest of that person's life.
But will the amount depreciate?
No, still the same.
No.
Really?
If you purchase a $10,000 or $20,000 face value and you pay on it for 20 years or 10 years, after that paying period, you own that $20,000 or $10,000 policy for the rest of that insured's life.
Oh wow! Okay. Okay.
And the cash value continues to grow because we still have to pay interest on that money that's sitting in the cash value.
So when you say paid up, exactly how does that work though? Like, is it like if you get your child insurance when they're born and when they reach 21
we have
or something?
A 20 year policy that's paid up and a 21. The difference between the 21, it'll double. So if you got a $10,000 policy, when that child turned 21, it should be 20.
The 21 paid life accounted for 21 years, and we just added a 10-year policy as well to be paid off in 10 years. So what that means, if a child is first born, quite naturally they're healthy, they're young, so premium is going to be very cheap for them because premiums are based off of your age and based off of your health.
Gotcha.
The healthier you are, the younger you are, the cheaper the premium. So if you purchase a $50,000 policy for a newborn, that's going to be very cheap. And you choose to pay on it for 20 years. So after 20 years of paying that premium, that child will have a paid up policy for $50,000 for as long as that child lives. And it also has a cash value, that living benefit I was telling you about earlier. It has that living benefit, that cash value, where if he wanted to borrow some money, he could borrow some money from that policy. And we don't do credit checks or nothing. It's your policy. You just sign your signature, and they'll give you the loan. But they have to keep in mind it is a loan. Most companies charge 8% a year on the
Okay. loan,
and you do have to pay it back. But if you got a $50,000 policy that you just gave to your 20-year-old son that turned 20, now he got
They gonna
cash
wanna,
value, you know.
yeah.
But if he's a responsible child, he could take that cash value and put a down payment on a house, and don't have to go to a bank because the
True.
bank interest is going to be way more than 8%.
Okay.
But he could take that loan, which is 8%, and be able to put a down payment on the house, maybe buy a new car or something like that. You know, if he's a
Interesting.
responsible person, he could do
Yeah.
that.
Okay, so is that only for, so it doesn't matter when the policy starts up? Like, say if someone want to sign up for a 10-year pay the policy today and they're 40, can they
There-
still
Well,
do
there's
that?
age limits on certain
Okay.
policy types. You know, you have to be a certain age to get that 10 pay. We're not going to put a 10 pay on a 60-year-old, and
Got you.
they'll be 70 in 10 more
Yeah.
years.
And also, that 10 pay that he's talking on, that price gonna be different at 40 than it would have been at 20. Do you see what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah.
Got you.
Mhm.
Okay.
very different.
Yeah.
Interesting. That's
Now we
interesting.
do have a 10-year term policy we just added to our portfolio also. And we offer that to seniors who didn't get insurance, don't want to pay the high price of whole life insurance because they're older now.
Yeah.
That we could offer them a term policy with a lower premium but a higher face value that'll hopefully fit into their budget. So we do offer that now.
Okay. Okay. Why is it that a lot of insurance companies I'm sorry. What you mean? What type of policy? D. Griffin. Which part you talking about? Let me know. And you can also call in, D, and ask your question. 515-599-1687. If anybody has questions for them regarding policies, whatever, anything with the insurance, or even how to get a job selling
That too.
insurance. You
They
know what I'm
got
saying?
some openings.
You can call in to the hotline, speak with them, 515-599-1687. But I was going to say, why is it that why is it such a big deal with smokers?
Well, because smoking is a high risk.
But what
habit
if you
that
smoke
people have.
marijuana though, and you don't even, and you use a bong, you don't even smoke, like the tobacco products with it.
Most companies are referring to cigarette tobacco because that is proven to be more deadly, of smoking than, and even if you're chewing tobacco, it seems to be a little bit more deadly, shortens your life a little bit more. So you become a high risk because companies are taking a risk when they put insurance on you. They take a risk that you want $50,000 worth of insurance and you're only going to pay us $45 a month. So we're taking a risk to insure you for $50,000,
Okay.
and you're only paying us $45,000 a month. I mean $45 a month.
Yeah.
So if you die in 2 months, we only got what $90, and now we have to come out of $50,000.
But that's only for a person that's healthy though, right?
Well, healthy or smoker, but see, there's the risk factor in all insurance. But
Okay.
see, if a person's smoking, they're more likely to become unhealthier sooner.
Got you.
And
And the
die
price gonna
sooner.
reflect that too. The
Yeah.
risk. The price is gonna reflect the
Right.
risk.
Now, what if you wasn't a smoker when you first got your policy and you became a smoker over the years?
Well, once your policy's issued,
your policy.
then we talk about that 2-year contestability period. After 2 years, no matter what happened, that policy stays in force. You become
Really?
you get on drugs or you become
So stop letting your policies
disabled.
go, please.
If you become disabled,
Right.
yeah,
Okay, I get it. Okay,
if you
yeah,
become
'cause-
disabled
yeah.
or anything, once that 2-year contestability period passes, no matter what, that policy has to stay in force, and that's by law.
Yep, and a lot of
Really?
people have that idea. I'm gonna just let that go and I'm gonna start over.
And start over, but then
What
they
you
start
starting
that
over with
contestability.
now
I
and
did
what you
that before.
started over
Remember, I was
with
telling you
then.
about that,
Right.
and you was like, "Nah, you was already with them for 15 years, so they weren't supposed to drop." You know what I'm saying? I
Right.
mean, you try to be honest, like, okay, well, yeah, I wasn't smoking then, but occasionally I use tobacco products. You know what I'm saying? So, okay, now I do, but they dropped me because of that. And I was like, wait a minute. And when I talked to her, she was like, nah, you should have stayed on top of them because at first I was on, now I need to talk to a supervisor because, like, life changes. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You can't,
Yeah.
I mean,
Once
now
you
that I
get
smoke
past
wine
that
blacks every now and
contestability,
then.
that's it.
And I already had the policy for, like, man, a good 12 years.
You shouldn't have. The company shouldn't.
So
have
I
dropped you
just
for
was
that.
like, and then they kept playing around though with me. You know, I'm like, they kept saying, "Oh, supervisor's gonna call. Supervisor's gonna call." I give it 2 days, call back. Then I give it a week. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
And I was like, forget it. And then I thought about it. I'm like, let me call TBG Queen and see what's going on. And she was like, nah, they legally they can't even do that because you already have been with them over the limit.
Well, the 2-year contestability period, that's a law. And once you get past the 2-year
Hey, boo.
contestability period, then that company is
done.
yours. As long as you paid your monthly premium, you're in benefit on that policy.
Yeah.
Now, if you stop paying your premium, then of course they could cancel you because you didn't pay your premium.
Got
That's
you.
the only way
broke the agreement.
that they could. That's the only
Okay.
way that they could stop your policy. The only other way is you stop it. There's no other way by just not paying your premium.
And then I know they count on people not really knowing. You know what I'm saying? It's when you don't know
Right.
what you're capable of or what you're entitled to. And I guess that's what they be expecting though, for a
Right.
person not to even fight for it, like, oh,
Right.
okay.
And that's also
Exactly.
the importance of having a good agent. Because to be honest, that is your agent's job to make sure you have the understanding of what it is you have and how it works. So it's our job to really kind of keep reinforcing so your understanding or knowledge of what that is. So that's why it's important to have a good person that you could go to and talk to about whatever your questions is. And I like
Yeah.
to make sure my people understand, so we probably go over it a few times. You know,
Gotcha.
you got a question, you make sure you understand that. You want me to go over it again? No, I get it. Okay, cool. Because that's the point of, the job is to make sure you guys are comfortable with what you have and knowing how that works for you.
Okay. And now you said you guys are hiring also.
Oh, yes,
Does a
indeed.
person already need training, or do they go
Well,
through training?
if a person is licensed, you have to be licensed in all 4 lines: property and casualty, life and health, to come with our company. If a person is licensed, then we could take them in right away and put them on an agency. And right now we have a bonus for hiring experienced agents or licensed agents. I think it's like a $4,700 some bonus that we're offering licensed agents right now.
Y'all hear that? 4,000 for licensed agents. If you already a insurance agent, life insurance agent, check them out. Check them out. They are hiring. And how long is the training if a person is
Well, if a
brand
person
new?
is not licensed by the state, you have to get licensed by the state. So
Hey, mama.
you could do self-training if you want to. But if we like you and we interview and we like you, we'll pay for your training.
Okay.
And then if we really like you, we'll also pay you while you train.
Gotcha.
We'll give you a salary. And we have a comprehensive benefit package: life, health, dental, 401k plan that you could contribute to. So it's a career move for people who really want to get into this industry and
And
make
I
money.
came in under that.
Okay.
I got my license through the company.
Okay. Was it hard to get the license?
No, so I initially had started studying before, coming into Kemper. So I went through AD Banker, for my study guides and all that. That's when I initially was planning on going to Kansas. It sucked. I'm sorry. I ain't have a good time with that. It did not work for your girl.
Okay.
But once I came in with them, they even gave me the study supplies and everything.
Okay.
With, Exam FX. I love them. So it was so much easier with them. I'm going to be honest with you. The AD Banker one kind of felt like we were speaking another language. I didn't really get that one too well. But when it came to the Exam FX, I loved their study course. It was like so much easier. I studied for a week, went in and took the first 3 tests, and then the next following week studied, went in and did it. So by the end
how
of
many
that month,
tests
I
are
was
there?
done.
Well, you have to be
life,
licensed
accident,
in
and
all
health.
4 lines,
5.
but there's 2
It's
tests.
5. Accident, life, and health is the one, and then the other one is property and casualty.
Well, yeah, but it's only 2 tests that you got to take that combines them both.
Right. I'm saying it's
Oh,
five
okay.
different ones, but
Yeah,
it'll be did in
5
two
different
tests.
categories, but
Got
it's
you.
broken down in 2 tests. Property
Mm-hmm.
and casualty is usually on the first test. Life, health, and the
No, life, accident, and health is the first one. Property and casualty is the second
She
one.
said, I just went through this. I
well,
know.
look, you can study it in any order and take the test in
Yeah.
any order. That's
Oh,
just the order
okay.
she took
Got
it in.
you. Oh,
But
okay.
that's how Bob told me. He was like, we need to get these did first.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's just
But
the
I'm
order
gonna
she
be
took
honest
it
with
in.
you, the property and casualty probably was the more harder one
And that's
to
why I
try to
start people out on
remember.
that one first.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, the
Got you.
exam effects made it so much easier. They even got flashcards.
Mr. Blanco. Come join us, sir. Now you got some life insurance?
Yes.
He's like, yes.
I'm a
You
good
can sit right
man.
here next to me. we got the another guest joining us, but also if you still have any questions for us employment or how the life insurance business works, you can still call in at 515-599-1687. Also, let the people know how they can get in touch with you, Quinn, if they trying to get some insurance, get hooked up.
Sure, absolutely. Again, my name is Quintella. You can surely give me a call on my cell, 314-637-2785. My other number, 314-305-8366.
All right now, Mr. Man. Tell me your name one more time.
Anthony,
Mr.
Anthony Martin. So you can reach me on my cell phone at 314-477-3874, or you can reach out to my email address. That's amartin2@kemper.com. And we are looking for people right now that want to get into the industry. And if you're interested in know more about it, just give me a call, and I'll be glad to explain it to you.
Is there a website that they can go to put in
They
the
can go- they
application?
well, once they contact me, I can link them up to the application. But we do have a website if they want to learn more about the company. But if they want to do the application process, I need to talk to them and link them up with that site.
Okay, what's the website in case they just want to do their own homework
Just
on the company?
Kemper.com.
Is there Kemper?
Yes,
Okay.
Kemper, Kemper.com.
Kemper.com. That's dope. And we also have another guest joining us today. Now, let me make sure I'm pronouncing this right. Is it Blanco?
It's black,
Black.
number 7.
Why I keep saying Blanco? It's a C-O in that name. Oh, you know what? Okay, this is why I keep saying Blanco, y'all. Y'all see at the end?
With the
That's
Q.
why I can, yeah, but
Yeah.
that's a Q. Okay, black. You just spelled the N with a Q. Okay, that's dope. We got black number 7, y'all. And I'm going to let this man introduce himself and his product.
How you doing? My name is Keith White. I am the founder and co-creator of Black Number 7, which is a fragrance. It took me 2 years to create,
Okay.
and I'm introducing it to the public.
Okay. Now, is this your first time introducing it to the public?
Yes.
Really? Okay,
Yes.
now.
Yes.
That's what's up. That's what I'm talking about. Now, what made you want to create a fragrance?
Well, I've always wanted to smell good. I like good smells and
Okay.
whatnot, and I just wanted to create my own signature scent.
Okay.
I smelled a lot of the fragrances that are out, the Tom Fords, the Dolces, and I like them, some of them, but it just wasn't me or
Gotcha.
what I wanted. So I decided to create my own fragrance.
That is dope. That's dope. So you must be pretty good in chemistry. Somewhat. Not really. So, do you have a team that put it together for you, or you just was experimenting?
It was just me experimenting fragrances, different fragrances, what I liked, what I didn't like. You have to go through a whole series of things, smelling coffee grounds to
Right.
clear your
Yeah, clear
palate.
yeah.
You know, and I finally got to something that I liked, you know, a combination that I liked, and just had it put together.
Okay, so how long have you been on this mission?
Like I say, I started in 22.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah, I've been on it since 22 and just getting all my ducks in a row, getting everything lined up.
Well, that's when you got started. How long has it been where the thought of it came about to you to say, I think I want to create my own smell, my own fragrance?
Yeah, I would say since 22.
Oh, it
That's
was
when
all
I,
the
yeah,
same
yeah.
year?
Yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
you just went forward?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's dope. Give you your bells today.
Thank you.
That's what's up. So this is black. How many different fragrances do you have?
Okay, that's black number 7. In February, I'm dropping a female's perfume because I had so many women coming to me saying, I love the blue. You know, they had bought it for their guy or whatever.
Okay.
And they were like, I love it, but do you have anything for women? I said, okay. So I went back in the lab. I created a black number 7 for women. It drops next month.
Cute bottle.
I'm also dropping another female perfume. It's called Vogue.
Bo?
Yeah, VEAU.
Uh-huh.
And that's dropping next month as well.
Okay.
And then
Now,
in
is
the
this
summertime.
already out?
Yeah, that's already
this
out.
already out.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
already out. Just pull the top off. Yeah. Here, matter of fact, I have a
The little cords.
I have a tester. No.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh,
Get
this the test.
Yeah.
Okay.
Get you a good.
Well, this for men, so come on over here.
Yeah.
We're going to try this out on it.
Yeah.
So this is black number 7. Black man with his own fragrance. Y'all check this out. And actually just smell this. It smells pretty good.
Let's
You
put it
already
over
got
here, 'cause
something?
I got
I'm about
something
to say
over
you
here.
already got something.
Yeah.
Okay, we go.
And it lasts.
Okay. Let me smell it, Asha.
Oh yeah, I like that.
Smell it.
It's a hybrid. It's an oil-based
My bad.
Yeah.
alcohol.
Yeah, I can
yeah.
smell some of the fragrance. Some of it's like a floral, but it's a manly floral.
It's
I
a
guess it's like
masculine.
a lavender.
Yeah, it's
you know what I'm
masculine.
saying?
It smells really
It
good,
does.
y'all. Black number
it
7.
smells
This
real
is
good. I
dope.
like
It
that.
really
Yeah, I like
does.
that.
I like that.
Oh, it smells so good.
And it lasts a long time. You're gonna be
Love
smelling
a
it tomorrow.
smell.
Okay, because it's all
Hey.
based.
Smell it
Yeah,
in.
'cause it's all
No,
based.
sometimes them good smells be penny droppers now.
So-
Y'all check them out. Black number 7.
So it's just not an ordi
This is
toilet.
dope.
You're right.
It smells so good.
It does. I like
Like I
that.
can't even stop smelling. It smells so
Yeah, I like
good.
that. I like
This
that.
put me
Yeah.
in
Your
the
ladies
mind of
gonna
Sauvage.
like it.
This is one of them smells that you be like, you gonna stop. A man walk past you, it stops
Like,
your conversation. Like,
what is
damn,
that?
daddy, come here.
Yeah.
What you got on, daddy? This smells really good. But what made you name it number 7 though?
It took me 7 tries to get it right.
I know that's right.
Makes sense.
That makes sense. Black number 7, guys. It smells really good, and I ain't gonna lie to you. You know what I'm saying? Because if it was, I would have did. You know, I can't stop my facial expression, so
right.
can't fake it. You hear me? It actually smells good.
It's real
Where-
subtle, real subtle.
White truck
Okay.
or you in the back or?
Yeah, I'm in the back.
Oh, you are in the back. Okay, yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
You know, we right here. Real quick though, where can anyone get this fragrance from? He ain't
Oh,
heard
he
me.
can.
He ain't heard me. He'll come back. We gonna find out.
I want to know
y'all.
how much it is.
And yeah, we gotta find out all that. How
Yeah.
much, the
Right,
whole
right.
nine. This smells really good though, y'all. Like
Yeah,
I
it
said, I'm not
does.
gonna fake it. Hey, Justo, where you at?
I can't
Come
wait
smell
to smell
this.
what the woman's fragrance.
I mean, you heard me. You
Yeah.
know you can't come out with a man and don't. It's all good though. We gonna wait till we say next month.
No, he said that one's out now. But
No, the women's
I think
ain't
he
The
ain't
was-
women,
don't
yeah,
come out next
yeah.
month.
Next month, I
Yeah.
think he said that.
Smell it. Hey, baby Journey. Smell it. That smells pretty good.
It's not too overpowering.
Yeah,
Right.
Not
yeah. Well, now, what you say,
overpowering.
Justo? Because Justo definitely ain't gonna lie to you.
It's subtle, not overpowering, but it's definitely got a.
Yeah, we doing a review now. This is our review, and then the bottle is pretty nice. That's cute. Black number 7. He
with
said
the Q.
with the Q. Okay, he said because it took him 7 tries to get the right
You
smell.
like the smell, Journey?
You want to smell it, baby Journey? She said, yeah.
What's your opinion? How do you feel about it? Hi, my name's Journey. My name is Journey.
Her name's
It does smell pretty good though. That's dope. Did he say he has a woman's fragrance that's gonna come out
Okay.
in a month?
You want
So
some- you want
yeah,
some
that's
perfume?
dope.
Yeah, you're gonna have to let me know.
Yeah,
when
we
you
got to
do
get some
that.
perfume. Man, yeah, he gonna have to give us some perfume. Baby Journey, how you been doing?
Good.
Good. This is Baby Journey, guys. Say hi to the people, Baby Journey.
Hi.
Yeah, hi. So cute. But yeah, so again, if y'all got any questions about selling insurance, getting the right insurance, and you don't want to get played, call in 515-599-1687. Cause Mr. Anthony and TBG Queen gonna get y'all together, okay? But yeah, because if you don't know about it, it's very important that you get help, especially with these kids. Because
That part.
we see too many, what is it online? The social media GoFundMe pages, and then
Yeah.
selling plates because the person didn't have insurance. I've heard people say their child is locked up, so they stop paying the insurance, like they can't pass in jail. How would you? That's even more reason to keep the insurance
Right.
on them. You know,
Right.
that's
and,
crazy.
And then again, when a person's incarcerated,
Can't get it.
they can't get insurance when they're incarcerated.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
So
so-
if a person don't already have it before they go to prison,
Can't get
you can't
insurance.
get wait until after they get out.
When they get out.
They can't be
After they-
confined.
Wow. Now see, I never knew that
Same
either.
thing with the hospital. If you're in the hospital, you can't get insurance either. You
like
gotta wait till
like
you out.
if you like
Like,
an
let's just say,
ICU or
yeah.
something, somebody try to get some insurance.
Right.
Really?
You
Yeah.
can't
Hey.
be in confined facilities.
See,
trying to get
this is
insurance.
why these type of conversations are needed, because you think you think it's just cut and dry. Oh, I just need some insurance, or a person is out there, they need some insurance. No, so don't wait till your mans and kids go to jail and you like, oh, something can happen. Y'all heard that? You can't. You won't be able to get them any insurance then. You know, can't wait till you're on your deathbed and then a family member says, hey, do they got insurance? You can't get it then. Hey, so these are the type of conversations we definitely have to have more of, because it's so important. And then it's very embarrassing. People be well known and then your family out there having selling plates for you. You know what I'm saying? It's like
Yeah.
$10 to $20 a month. Cause baby, the real princess ain't gonna get too much. I'm here to tell you. You know what I'm saying? But for real, you know, cause it irks my soul that people actually wait on death money.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
I'm not trying to get paid off death money, and that's not how you create what is it? Traditional wealth? Generational
Generational
wealth.
wealth,
Yeah.
yeah.
That's not how you create generational wealth, unless it's to the point where, okay, y'all already have this business minded. This is what you guys do. If
Right,
someone passes and you have a big policy for a reason, we're
Right,
going to invest
right.
in X, Y, Z. I get that part. You know
Right.
what I'm saying? Because we hear about some of the other cultures that is what they do, but a lot of them, they put in the pot monthly to open up a business or push somebody to go get like their insurance license,
Even with their
real
homes,
estate or
their houses
whatever,
and
you
stuff.
know.
Right.
But we can't keep waiting, y'all. We cannot keep waiting. So yeah, we did a review. I had Justo come in here, the owner of the studio. He smelled it. He gave a review. He's like, yeah, it's not too overpowering. You know, it smells really. No, I'm still smelling really good. But how much is a bottle like this?
Right now it's 70.
Okay,
You know,
about the standard amount for this size. Yeah. Check this out.
And where is it
Black
located in
fragrance, and he
Texas?
created the fragrance himself. He doesn't have a team like the Jay-Z's and Beyonce's. He created this smell, and it smells good.
you can get it at blackessence.com, which is BLAQUESSENTS.com.
And it come in a cute little baggie too, y'all. Now, did you say next month is when your women's fragrance
Yeah,
will
I
drop?
have
Okay.
Black number 7 for women dropping and Vogue.
Now when is Vogue dropping?
Same time.
Oh,
same
sa-
time.
Okay.
All right
So we
now,
got
And
we
they're
own it. We
they're,
own it.
they're two totally different scents. So
Cool.
Yeah,
Cool.
they're
That's
totally-
dope.
yeah.
Okay. So a person can only order this online?
Yeah, right
Okay.
now, unless you know me.
Oh yeah, so we in touch with you.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. You know, we definitely promote black businesses. Ah, dang, you should have came on next month for Black History Month. Nah.
You can come
It's-
back.
Look, hey, Black
You
History
can
Month
come
is
back.
every month though in real life.
I'll be
You heard
dropping
me?
the 2 cents next month. So.
Okay,
You'll
that's
be back
dope.
with
Yeah, you
them.
definitely got to come back for the women's. This
And in the
smells
summer, I'm
good.
dropping white number 7.
Oh
White.
my.
Yeah,
White number
Okay.
7.
yeah.
Okay,
That's
now,
another men's.
now why you
fragrance.
going to white now?
That's kind of with the theme. I also have a gray number 7, but that's
That's gonna be further
Yeah,
out.
yeah,
Okay, let me find out. All
one
right.
is more of a daytime summer light fragrance. One is
Mm-hmm.
a nighttime. One is a business, more
Okay.
professional.
Also, one is that. Also, this is that.
That's
come
that
here.
nighttime.
This
That's
that
Yeah,
come here.
most
Look, this
definitely.
that come here. Come to
Doing,
daddy.
girl.
This
you
that
doing?
come to daddy. Hey, I'm telling y'all, it puts me in the mind of Savage. It's just that smell, just like that would linger, and you still smell the man when he walk out. You be like, he ain't even here no more. I still smell him. Hey, for real. Because when I be drawing blood, some people come in there, I be like, what do you have on? But every fragrance don't smell the same on
True.
everybody
True.
either.
Don't.
Why is that though?
Pheromones. You know, pheromones. Everybody's chemistry is different.
Okay.
So just depending on your chemistry, stuff smells different on different people, and it can
Okay.
be the same. Yeah, scent.
Are you going to try to promote this for like the stores like
Yeah.
Macy's?
Yeah, we're
Is
talking
it even
to.
still called
I
Macy's?
don't want to say the names, but we talking to a couple
Okay,
of people
got
right
you.
now.
Okay.
It's just not in the stores as of yet. But
Okay.
we're talking to a couple of people right now.
Or get you a little booth in the mall and sell your own stuff.
Well, I might have a pop ups going anyway.
yeah.
I'm gonna do a little 4 to 5 city tour
Okay.
this summer, and
Give you your bills.
Yeah,
Y'all
we're
got
gonna be
some
doing
bills somewhere
pop-ups.
over there.
I'm gonna have pop ups, the expos, and all. We
That's-
got some stuff
That's
coming
what I'm
up.
talking about, black man. Hey,
We got some
y'all
stuff coming
see
up.
this? Hey, that's what we talking about. 2026, we got to get it. You know what I'm saying? Put your business out there. Don't be afraid to jump out there. It's either going to work or it's not, you know, because this may not be the smell for everybody, but it's going to be the smell for somebody. You know what I'm saying? For a few people. I ain't got no daddies right now, but yeah. I would definitely be getting one and put it to the side. I'm just saying, look at my bills. I see the bill, no, I'm full of shit. Look, it just stopped. But no, this smells really, really good. I like this. It smells good. I have to get you on the couple of the other shows too to support it because you know everybody has a different audience. You know what I'm saying? And people need to know. Stop. We always talking that shit, you know what I'm saying, about, oh, then you find out this person racist and all that. Stick with your people, you know what I'm saying? Find out what's going on with it. If you don't believe me, find out yourself. It's only, what, 57? How much is this one?
That's you
I
talking
mean,
about
this,
the bottle.
the
is
bottle,
70.
$70. Not bad. Your standard price, and it actually smells really, really good. I can't wait till the women's fragrance come out. That's gonna be
Yeah.
Black
Yeah.
7 for women, right?
For women.
Black 7.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
gonna be
yeah.
waiting. Hey, for real. So, do you have a business partner? Ooh, that's a pretty bottle. Oh, our bottles look pretty, y'all. Look, TBG. This pretty.
That's what the bottle on
Uh-huh. And yeah, she's really, really big on fragrances. So yeah, because when you watch that, she was like, I definitely gotta get my bottle when it comes out,
Yes,
because I could just imagine what ours gonna smell like.
I have
ma'am.
commercials
Do you?
all over the
Oh,
internet.
that's you know what? And I did see that, and I was like, is it already out? I was a little confused. That's why I was like, let me inbox them, and I don't even know how I came across your page. I just be all over Facebook though, networking. And you know, if you want to do audio commercials, you can holler at Justo.
Okay,
Where
okay.
it can play you can make a commercial, create a commercial in the
Okay.
back in the studio. Yeah, that'll be dope. We gotta promote each other, definitely. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? And word of mouth is everything. So y'all heard it here first.
Yes.
Black number 7 for the daddies. Okay? Panty dropper. For real, for real. So do you have a business partner or it's just you?
No, 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 no. I have a business partner, which is my wife, Laveau.
Okay.
Yeah,
Big
yeah.
shout out.
Yeah, yeah, that's my business partner. And yeah, I also have well, that's later on down the line. I have a dog. I have a dog food coming out.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Let's talk about it. That's what I'm talking about. Hand me that bill over there. This bill broke. Let's talk about it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Dog food? Oh yeah, talk about it. I want some water. You want the water by the queen? TBG? Yeah. Okay. You want the
Yeah,
water?
I have a
want the water
dog
bottle?
food coming out.
You want the water
and-
bottle?
No, no,
Okay,
I'm fine.
I'll be right back. Go ahead, talk about all your plans. Y'all heard it here first. Gloves off with TBG. This is what we do. We network. We promote. Okay, show the people.
Gino's cuisine, dog cuisine.
Just so he got a dog food coming out. We got Lucy Lou. We got a pet.
Yeah, I see.
a
She's
studio
walking
dog.
around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Talk about it.
I have it dropping in 3 months. A dog food. I made it to compete with the farmer's dog type, all natural. It has vegetables, fruit in it. All the dogs love it so far that we've tested out, and I made it for finicky dogs because my dog is real finicky. You know, I used to feed him the regular dry name brand dog food, and it would take him all day, be nibbling and then coming back and nibbling. And I said, well, let me try this formula. Actually, my wife came up with the recipe and the formula, and she made it, and the dog was eating it like instantly.
Wow,
It was put in the bowl and it was gone like right there.
Well, that's
So,
good. Yeah, 'cause
we
my
tested it
dog
out.
Won't eat anything.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a lot of finicky dogs out
Right,
here. And
yeah.
plus, this helps with their digestive system. It helps with allergies.
Okay.
Their respiratory system.
Oh, well,
Yeah,
see,
yeah.
That's good.
It's
Cut down on that vet bill.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
I know a lot of people be going with their dogs, going through that, the itching and the, you know, and this cuts down on all of that. Yeah, we're gonna have that coming out depending on your size dog. So far we have a salmon formula and a turkey formula.
Okay.
We're working on a duck formula right now, and yeah, all the dogs love it. You know, we've been testing it right now with friends who have pets, and all of the feedback has been coming back like it's gone instantly. You
Oh,
know,
wow,
them
that's
little
good.
purse dogs and the big dogs. You know,
Yeah.
so
Well, that's
yeah,
good. Salmon,
Yeah.
turkey, and what was that again? Salmon,
Duck.
turkey, and duck. Some
what about the
hound,
cat?
hound hog. Oh, these must be Muslim dogs.
Or you,
Well, you know how black people is. They get whatever leftovers in the refrigerator. Old spaghetti and all that.
have you thought about doing that for cats, or it's just your focus? is
We're
dogs?
discussing the cat formula now.
'Cause I'm a
It's
cat
to say
mom
that.
too.
Okay, you're a cat lover. Okay.
Yeah.
so she love cats.
My,
What
my
cat you
baby.
got?
I got 2. I had to go give my baby a brother.
Okay. Well, we working on that right now.
Please let me know.
We working on that right now. Probably before the end of the year out. you
But
know.
see, my oldest one, he can't do regular food. So he's like on a more medicated brand. He had a blockage that kept happening to where
Okay.
I had to get his balls and his other part cut off. So technically
Okay.
he now has a girl anatomy. He's still a boy at heart.
Right.
Okay. So, but because of that, he's prone to getting urinary issues.
Okay.
So that's why we do
okay.
like the medicated food and stuff for him. So, but yeah, I would love to, like I said with my other one, but he got an eating disorder window.
Okay.
That's my oldest, which is handsome. So he eats, throw up, eats. So the problem is trying to, nah, literally, and he will go till there's no more. And it's like, Lord, so I bought special feeders to recognize the particular cat.
Yeah, ration it out. Yeah.
But he learned how to break into the food bank.
Oh.
So we're now on that.
You talking about handsome?
Yes, ma'am. My oldest one. So yeah, but I would love, because I still do wet food for both of them too, because wet food is absolutely the best, considering that cats, they don't really drink water like that. Most of their water comes from their food.
Right.
So yeah, I like great alternatives. My babies are spoiled, and I take great care of my babies.
Okay.
When I say that little puppy, that little cat is so spoiled, the cat be dressed down better than me. I mean, the cat be dressed down better than me. I'm talking about the cat got fur jackets, coats, and
you know, mama love her babies.
I think the cat even had on some little baby trues. Like what?
Oh, the Hermes. They don't like the shoes.
I see what I'm talking about. The Hermes.
He let me do everything else. I could keep him dressed, coats, and all that good stuff. But he kind of drew the line at the Hermes. But yeah, my baby got wardrobe.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah.
That is amazing.
Yeah.
Nah. So I missed the conversation about the dog food.
That we went into the subject. They're thinking about doing the cat, working on the cat.
Yeah,
stuff.
cat food.
Oh, cat food. Oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
that's how we segued into the.
Talk about my babies.
Yeah.
So, when will the cat food be ready though? I heard somebody knocking.
That's we working on that right now.
TBG Cookie in the house. Hey, what up though? And guess who was on time before time today? You. Hey, I want Mr. Anthony slide over one for me.
Okay.
TBG slide over one for me. CC won't be here today. She's at a funeral. Oh. Yeah. So.
Hey, lady.
Forget your jacket. So, Cookie, while you getting settled in, you of course you know TBG Quinn,
Of course.
and she has been selling life insurance for the last few years, and this is her supervisor, Mr. Anthony. We just talking about the importance of life insurance. She brought your supervisor. Talking about the importance of life insurance and the difference in the different policies, because I definitely learned some new stuff today. And this is Mr. Black. He has.
He ain't black, but that's okay.
Now he is black now.
He black.
But he makes
Fragrance.
fragrances.
Okay.
So I'm gonna get this is tester of this. Smells good. Penny dropper.
Okay,
Smell
now
it.
is
We
it
just did a
men
review.
or
This
women?
is for men.
Or is it
This one's for men.
Coming next.
But
No, good. Look at it. I told you.
Oh, what?
It
Yeah, he
smells.
said
Don't
he
it
getting
smell
us
good,
some next
TBG?
month.
Oh yeah, the women perfume drops next month.
And the bottle is
Yeah,
cute.
this
Show her
smells
the
real
bottle.
good.
Oh yeah, sure the bottle. Our bottle
smell real
cute, but
good.
this is this one for the men. Black number 7.
Okay.
And I
Mr.
said-
Black.
I said, well, I said number 7 talking about because it took me 7
7, baby. 7 is a good number there.
Number of completion.
Every good product has to
That's
have
gonna
a
be-
meaningful name.
He has two.
That's
He has
right.
2 different female fragrances
That's
coming out
dope.
next month. Hey,
great.
stronger
That's
than
good.
ever.
I love to hear that.
One is called Black number 7 for women, and then the other will be called Vogue.
Yep.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, she's a dog lover too.
Oh,
He
yeah.
also has dog food coming out.
Yeah.
Oh, dog food.
I be dropping a line of dog food.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
different.
sure.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
I
so
made it to
logo
different.
for the
compete
dog
with
food.
And he working on some stuff
the
for my
farmer's
baby.
dog, So Yummy.
It's called So Yummy.
No.
Oh.
So
You
Yummy
know.
is already a brand. That's
Oh,
out.
okay.
I made my dog food to compete with that. But it's all black company.
That's what I'm talking about. It's all love. Everybody trying to make some money.
Okay.
I got some zoom around me. I'm sorry.
All right. That's
Oh,
Geno's.
Geno's.
Yeah.
Okay. Dog cuisine.
Yeah. and it helps dog. It's all natural. It helps dogs with the
What'd you say?
respiratory system, digestion, and allergies.
Now, when that's coming?
That's coming in about 2 months.
Okay, yeah, hit me up. I'm gonna have to check you out now.
Okay.
I definitely, I
Yeah,
just
she's a dog lover.
yeah, I have 2 big dogs, and my girl recently had a litter of 7. So
okay.
yeah, so we right now they on Bill-Jack. I think that's the name.
So, will your dog food be for any type of dog, though?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. But I made it for dogs who finicky eaters. They don't eat just anything.
Oh, okay.
You know. Yeah.
Probably like sickly dogs or something.
Nah.
No, not sickly. Oh, okay.
Nah.
Uppity dog.
Yeah.
Oh,
Not uppity
the
dog.
bougie
Well, hold on.
bougie dog.
What the meat ingredients was.
Right.
What's the meaning?
Tell them what the meat ingredients.
Right now we got a salmon formula. We have
These so
listen,
exclusive.
Listen, we have a salmon formula right now. We have a turkey formula. And I'm working on a duck formula.
Oh yeah. They
Give him his bells.
Uppity.
What your bell? Yeah, we gotta give him his bells
It's
now.
premium.
premium. Oh, okay, we're gonna use that. All right. Okay, yeah, I'll have to check you out. Okay, because my dogs, they the slum of the slums, but they gon'
Not the
they-
slum of the
Come
slum.
on now, you
Now,
know.
it's that Bella. It's the girl. She from the gutter. See, my boy dog, he's more, premium.
Right.
Use your
right.
selective word. But that girl, she came from the hood. I'm talking about she's a savage. So she gonna eat anything.
So what, you feed her leftovers out the refrigerator?
I know. I don't even feed them human food.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I
That's
don't even feed
good.
them human
Okay,
food.
yeah.
Well, now this is human grade dog food.
Yeah, that's why. Now I can do that.
Now, what you
Okay.
mean
I can do
when
that.
you say human grade?
It's made
So
with
it's ma-
human
right.
ingredients. Like it's, when you get a lot of these brands off the shelf, they have a lot of fillers and all kind of stuff that's
Yeah.
not real. We use
Artificial.
real turkey. We use real vegetables.
Yeah.
We use real fruit.
Oh,
we use-
okay.
Yeah.
But as you should, because don't these animals take the same type of antibiotics and
Yeah.
medicines like
Pretty
we do?
much.
Absolutely.
Dog have diabetes too.
Yep.
Ooh,
They get the
Lord.
same
Cancer.
medicines we
Cats.
get.
They have
Right,
cancer.
that's crazy.
And they got to get dental protection
Yeah.
too.
Yeah.
For
That's
that.
what I mean.
Oh, no, that's YouTube.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
She never been up with close in person like that. Always like
That's because usually it be over on this
Yeah, it be
side
right here.
when people, back there. Oh,
Okay.
he'll be in here in a minute to
Where
change
he
it
at?
around. I don't know. He
No.
can walk off.
Oh, what's my girl name? What's the girl last week?
Which one?
The
The
dark-
Erica's,
gave
the
us
Edwards, the Edwards, but the one who had
No,
the
the one
cup
that had the cup.
is.
Jacqueline. Is it Jacqueline? Dang, I don't know.
Don't give me the line.
But thank you, girl. Come in handy.
Forgive
It's
us.
tea.
Right.
Stove.
Told you he
Okay,
about to
right.
be in here
I'm
to
like,
change
what's
it
going on
around.
here?
A little birdie told me.
But yeah.
What y'all been talking about?
That's what we were talking about, life insurance.
okay.
And then he came in, we started talking about the cologne. And now we're about to bring in another guest as well. Come on, Mr.
Don't be
Limbo.
scared.
Come on. Is that how you pronounce it? Is it
Lindo.
Lindo?
Lindo, yeah.
Central
time, sir.
Look, we so proud of
This is
you. You
Hawaii
on
time.
time today. I saw you calling me. I
Oh,
went.
that's Cece.
Cece did make it.
Just
Okay.
She bang. I had to bang on the door too. The door was locked.
I look, cause I thought I heard the
Who
door
locked
and
the
I
door?
kept looking. I'm like, well, Justo must get it. But
Hold on, do we ever know?
yeah, he gonna bring another one in. Yeah.
Okay.
Justo, bring me another seat, baby. Please.
Oh, go
Yeah.
ahead.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you gotta leave out. Okay, well let me get let us get a couple of pictures first before you leave.
Okay.
With you.
This week-
But CC, hey boo, we about to move some stuff around. Hey, I just told them I didn't think you was coming today. But we gonna get a picture in. Work. Matter of fact, I'm glad you came in with your phone.
And lip roller.
I'm gonna step out too.
I know, yeah, we're gonna get a picture with y'all too real quick. we gonna play some music
got no
real
shirt.
quick. Take a little break. You guys, I know on the right to this music in the background. Give us just a little second. I know TBGs, me no ain't
I'm looking for a romance we can hold hands. Hands down, do a lap dance. Yeah, I want a black
They already.
Boy, you better stop playing. Stop playing. This beat, that jam. Miss don't really give a damn. I don't 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 give a damn. Woo. I don't give a damn. 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 Woo.
Say, my man, where I know you from? You look real familiar to me.
So you see here, Missy is
You grew
timeless,
up in Walnut Park.
queen of queen.
You grew up in Walnut
greatest.
Park?
How can one person be so
Okay,
neat?
okay, Thrush.
Was Missy always a queen?
No, dear.
Mark Twain.
Wasn't always that easy.
Long
Missy
Bridge.
came up in a very strict home. She was only allowed to hang out with the other kids after a certain
Northwest.
time.
Okay.
However,
Yeah, I ain't
didn't
go to
stop her
Northwest. I went to
from dreaming of
Cardinal
the
River.
life she's destined to fulfill.
I know you from probably from the hood, but I'm trying to. Yeah. What's up, my man? Keith. Yeah. Nice to meet you, bro. Hey, how you doing, man?
He said, girl, that ass fat, where you get that from? Big thighs, pretty face, I can't fuck no bum. I like the niggas with the money, tryna give me some. Got these bitches in my face, shaking ass, going dumb. I'll go down on the nigga, talking hands and knees. Third round on the nigga, have him begging me please. I freestyle on the nigga, cause I like to tease. Throw this mound on the nigga, wake him now to sleep. Look, thought that I was innocent, don't let the glass fool you. The way I throw this back, I told him, nigga, I can screw you. Oh, bitch, never did it right.
let's get into it. All right, I don't know
Let her
what's the
smell the
music
fragrance.
playing in the background. Oh, okay, so this is my other co-host, Cece. Cece, this is Mr. Black. He makes his own fragrance right here. Here, bless you.
Thank you.
It smells so
Well,
good.
I gotta be. I don't know. This is a little kid right here. I don't know.
Ah.
I don't want to get too explicit.
That man grown. How do you? He is a
Look,
grown
look
man.
how she looking at.
And he from what?
But this
What's your
smells
nationality?
Don't it smell good,
Okay,
baby?
we got an African up in here.
South Africa.
Yeah.
South Africa.
But it's called Black Number 7. This is already out. He got Black Number 7 coming out for women
that
next
smell
month.
good?
Next month he having.
Baby, what you looking for?
What you looking for? I know, don't it smell good? And this is the bottle. I can't wait till the female fragrance come out.
She
Next
lit
month.
already, y'all.
We gotta have him back.
Yeah, I know Cece.
But yeah, so
She on her level.
what you looking for, baby?
Yes, I did.
Oh, she's a dog lover too. She has puppies and stuff. She
Thank you. I appreciate it.
That's not
so
yours.
nice. Don't say what ain't mine.
That's not yours.
Don't worry about what ain't mine.
Because if that's the case, I would have took it.
Hey, I ain't got nothing to do with you.
If that's the case, I would have took it. It
I
ain't
ain't
even
got
mine.
You ain't got no man. Oh, my bad.
Look, I sure said I don't got no daddies right now, but I'm gonna purchase one anyway because it smell good. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Don't it
And how
smell
much are your
good?
bottles?
$70.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can't wait till the women's version comes out, baby.
Yeah.
I told him, I said, oh, that's a penny dropper.
And
That's
you only
gonna
have
stop
one size?
conversations.
What is this in front of me?
One size
No, I
right
can
now.
Get you the 100
Oh, Queen had
milliliter.
it.
Uh-huh.
Give me that.
Yeah, I can get you that.
And how many is that?
It's water, though.
She don't need none of
That's 50.
Nah, this was water.
Okay.
Water crazy.
Okay.
I can get you the 100 though.
Baby.
It's 50.
Yeah.
Sit down.
Right, she's so irky.
That's for men.
Right. Ow.
Okay.
Get her. Get her.
Don't influence
You're
it.
blocking the camera.
Thank you.
Yeah, you gotta have a seat.
Hey, what's up? Hey, I'm Scotty. How you doing out there?
See, you shouldn't have put on the cologne. Now you attracting white chocolate.
Put it on yet. While you talking.
Come on now, we ain't got an hour to watch you
come
put on the
okay.
cologne.
Okay, I'm
Because she already lit.
Moving slow.
I'm just
Right.
feeling good.
Moving slow.
We
We
know.
know.
we definitely not.
We definitely know. Okay, but we have a soccer player in the building
South Africa.
from South. You got a bell over there.
Don't you got your own bell?
I'm
The
about to
bell
say it's
right there.
right in your face.
I'm a right-hander. I'm not a left-hander. So I didn't know that bill was over there.
I'm a right-hander.
Shit.
What they got to do with your
Now
eyes?
I got 2 bills. Well,
Y'all
I'm
gotta
gonna
excuse
probably
her.
Buy this.
So,
And I'll take the sample as well. You got
pronounce
cash
your
out.
name again.
Yes, I do.
Lindor. Okay, so Mr. Lindor is here from South Africa. He actually played with our soccer team their first season here. Then he went to Colombia, and now he is a free agent.
Well, it's Charlotte.
Oh, it was Charlotte.
Colombia, no, Charlotte, Indiana, Colombia. Free agent now.
Okay.
Oh,
But you was with our soccer team
Oh, yeah.
when they first came, though,
When
right?
they first came, yeah, we were, in the mix, and obviously due to playing wise, I had to like go out and go back to college, so go
Okay.
to school, go play, get some more game time, get recognition by other teams too. So that's when I made the move to go to Charlotte to go play for a university called Winthrop University, which plays in like the biggest D1 league ever. Play with
Really?
play with Clemson, play with Duke University, Kentucky. So like that's where like everyone is watching the whole game. So yeah, I was basically playing with like my age mates, people who go pound for pound. And then after that, I graduated from Winthrop, decided to go to Indiana in the summer for a short-term deal. Played for a team called Goshen, brought a title to them, first ever title in the club. We got it for them. Then after that, I decided, you know what, let me hop on back to do my master's. Let me go to Colombia. So decided to go
That's what
back
I'm
to
talking
Colombia.
about.
So right now I'm just, taking
Give me
time
that
off.
man his bills.
So taking time off right now. I'm gonna work a bit, and I'm gonna still see what else I have to offer on the field. I'm not done yet.
Okay. Now, how long had you been playing soccer before you became a soccer player?
I would say since the age of 5, 6.
5 or
Took
6.
over my father, because he also used to play as well. So it's basically like a rundown from the older people to the youngings. So it went to me and my brother. Then unfortunately, my brother decided to do other things. Then I decided to continue the legacy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, how long have you been in the United States?
I came here, so my first time coming to play was in 2018. When
Okay.
I was searching for Division 1 schools or doing camps, with D1 schools with SLU especially. So then we got offers from like Temple University, like big schools gave us offers. Then 2019 I came back again. This time with like my family as well.
Okay.
So I came back with my family in 2019 again. Then 2020 I had to move to the University of Temple University in Philadelphia. Then unfortunately COVID happened.
Okay.
But I mean everything happens for a reason, because I ended up coming back in 2021. So I would say I started living here 2021. So
Okay.
it's been what, 5 years, almost 5 years.
Mm-hmm. That's dope. You been moving around though within them
Alright.
5 years.
Oh yeah, every 2 years, different city.
Really?
Yeah, but it
Oh,
all started
wow.
here in St. Louis. That's why I always come back to
Okay,
St.
now
Louis.
that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Give that man
Like
his bells.
Your
Yeah.
flowers now, baby.
Exactly.
So
You
you've
really
been
like
doing
give him
it all
his
along.
bells, okay? That's what's up. And you say you're 26?
Yeah, I'm 26 this year.
Okay. Nice. And have you thought about playing for our soccer team again?
I mean, if the opportunity avails itself, I'll take it with both hands. But someone like myself, I like exploring, stretching my wings, fly to some other place.
Yeah.
And I mean, my dream is also to go back to Europe, So, I mean, if Europe avails itself again, then I'm definitely booking my flights. and going back to
Really?
Europe, yeah.
Okay. Are you married?
No,
No. Kids?
no.
No kids. Okay.
I'm a kid myself.
You're a kid yourself.
You say you ain't got
I'm not
time to
saying,
figure
that's
it
right,
out.
have fun now.
How long did you stay in Europe?
So I stayed in Europe. So, okay, the funny story is I moved to Europe when I was like, 12, 13. Stayed with my grandma because of, I didn't know I had ADHD. So, decided to go back in 20...
Let me say, you didn't have a what now?
Yeah, I had ADHD.
He say
Oh,
he had
you
ADHD.
have.
That's what they
Okay.
tell you. You didn't. You was just bad.
So the only
you just
person,
bad as hell.
Yeah,
The only person.
Yeah, you was bad.
Oh,
They
okay.
always
So the only
diagnose
one
our
who could
kids
tell
with
you was
ADHD
your
when
grandmother.
you're bad.
grandma's the only one who can say, hey, you chill down.
Right.
Okay.
But I started staying by myself in 2017 when I went to Spain. In 2018, I went to Italy.
Trying to get the ice.
So then that's when after 2018, I mean, my mom said, you need to come back and you need to go back to school, bro. Come finish at least your high school. Because, I mean, my plan was just to play sports my whole entire life. I didn't care about education. But, I mean, they tell you that, sports is not a forever thing, but your education is. So,
Yeah,
and
because you need it.
Yeah, I was still
That's
under
what I
18.
tell my son.
So I had to go back home because my parents controlled everything. Then I finished off my high schooling. Then that's when after that decided to play soccer my whole life.
How is that?
I know that's
Is there
right.
any other sports you was interested in?
Oh yeah, for sure. My first sport was actually cricket and rugby. But it came to a point in my life where I had to choose one sport. And with rugby, I had so many concussions that the doctor said, if you get a fifth one, you're done for.
That's the one
And
with
how
it's
many-
like football.
It's like football,
but it's
no
like
protection.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So how many concussions have you had from that?
I've only had 4 so far.
Only.
Yeah.
So the fifth one you might not.
I might not, yeah. Because it's bad. Because we always like with soccer, we always clash heads. We always with the ball, we block shots with our heads. So it's
And
just
you have no protection?
No,
That's
there's
suicide.
there's no
And I
protection.
just try
That's
to
what I'm saying, that's
take the
suicide.
pain. Yeah.
You just
Wow.
gotta take the pain. That's the tough kid.
Take the pain.
And he said he was bad as a motherfucker.
And you was out there in them Europe streets.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah. The
You know, I watched. I used to watch Top Boy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's
Top
I
Boy.
love it.
It's just like that.
I'm not-
Actually, what
yeah,
you
yeah.
see on Top Boy,
Really?
it's exactly the same.
Really? Okay.
Really?
Yeah, you just have to. I mean, it's just like let's say East Side. I've been to East Side a lot. I like going to East Side.
Yeah.
So you just have to.
I do
You
too.
just have to mind your own business. Don't get into no. Because the first thing I heard.
Cookie like the East Side too.
That's what it's not about me. It's about Mr. Linda.
Yeah, so when we first got to St. Louis, the first thing we heard was "Don't go across the bridge." And one thing about me,
That made
I
you want to
wanted-
go
yeah,
across the
exactly.
bridge.
If you say don't do this, I'm
I'ma
gonna
go.
do it. Yeah. So I went there. I mean, the people there are so cool.
Yeah.
I hung out with a few people, and they just said, "Bro, we won't bother you if you don't bother us."
Where
So,
you be at on
Exactly.
the East Side?
I'm not gonna lie. I've been to a couple of strip clubs too.
Oh, you gonna go? You gonna do that?
There was also an area I forgot the area's name, but
Washington Park.
I think so. But if
Yeah,
I drive there, I
everybody
know
gonna
how
go.
to get
You
Or
there.
Charlie Park.
Yeah. There's a few of my friends that stay there, so
Okay,
I always
cool.
go there and visit. And I mean, that's how I also met TJ. We met TJ at a strip club. Funny enough, the craziest thing ever.
Look.
He's talking about martial arts, y'all. He's talking about martial arts. You met him at the Titty Bar
Yeah.
on this side.
No, I met him.
It's on our side though, cause he just got me hip. Did y'all know it was a titty boy? Did you know it was a titty boy off a page? Just don't know that. My chocolate got it. Rhonda's. Yeah, it's a titty boy off page, like right there, page Ashby.
Yeah.
Nah.
That's what I said. I didn't know. And Marshall said it been there for like 20 plus years. I'm like, what? I said, you lying to me. He told me, hey, for real. He was like, I go there all the time. He said it's a nice mixed crowd. He said he had met a lot of celebrities up in there too. And I said, yeah, they got that in the cut.
Right.
Got that in the cut. Because White Chocolate had asked me one time, hey, you want to go to this titty boy with us? You go to Titty Boys? I was like, the strip club? I'm like, you ain't going on no East Side. Somebody over here. I was like, nah, we ain't got.
So they just topless. They don't take off the bottom.
They are topless.
They just topless.
They don't get naked though.
No, they don't get naked.
Okay.
They just topless.
They just showing titties.
Just showing
titties.
I'm going to get a part-time job. I'm going to get a part-time job.
There you go.
I don't want to work at
want them hang low. Hang low. Sweet cherry.
There you go. There you go.
Hey, I always wanted to be a stripper anyway, so hey.
There you go. There your
work
chocolate
at
ball.
Hooters.
This girl say I want to be a stripper. So what part of South Africa are you from?
I stay in a city called Johannesburg.
Oh yeah, I heard it. Okay.
I mean,
the first game in the 2010 World Cup, first city to host it was Johannesburg. I mean, that's like the New York of South Africa. You know?
Okay.
If you want to make your dough, you want to work, you go to Johannesburg.
Really?
Yeah.
I want to go to Ghana.
What's the poorest part of South
I
Africa?
would say, I mean, each and every, okay, you guys call it states, we call it provinces. Each and every province has its own section where it's informal settlements, and you try to stay away from it. But sometimes, like most of us, like myself, I have families who also stay in those settlements, which is I don't judge. It's just the situation they're in, and I'll always go and help and try and also encourage people, just like how I'm doing with my foundation. Like I don't want to take kids who have it all at home. I want to take the really, really bad disadvantaged kids in order to go to school.
That's what's up, man. Give this man his bells, okay? That's what I'm talking about. And that's like pretty much what we do. We have a nonprofit organization. I was telling you about it when we met, called True Bad Girls. I'm not sure if we talked about that or not. But that's what the TBG in our name gloves off with TBG stands for, True Bad Girls. And our biggest project is sponsoring less fortunate high school seniors to their prom. So we take the full load off the single mother or father, because we have helped out some single fathers as well over the years. But yeah, that's what we do. We don't like to, I reach out to the counselor of the schools, because usually the counselor knows who's going through what's going on with certain people, in the household. And that's the way how we sometimes know that, okay, we are actually helping somebody that actually needs the help, you know. So, yeah, that's pretty dope, though. What's the name of your organization?
Zumba Foundation. So, Zumba Foundation.
Oh, you saying Zumba?
Zimba.
My
last name. So, my name is Lindo Zimba.
Your first name is...
My first name is Lindo, last name is Zimba.
Oh,
so, I just decided to take my last name. And put it Zimba Foundation so that it's a legacy thing with my family.
That's what I'm talking about. Okay.
So it's Zimba Foundation. I started it 2020 last year actually. Yes, last year in November.
Okay.
Started it. Did already like an event in one of like the hoods back home where I was born.
Not one of the hoods back home.
Yeah.
Okay.
So one thing I did, so I got like an email. Used to, because I do coaching as well in the summer, and I got hosted by this wonderful family, and they decided, I don't know, like one morning I came to breakfast. They were like, "Oh, so you have a foundation?" I'm like, "How the hell did you know?" They're like, "You think we're gonna let a stranger stay with us? We had to look you up." Then I said, "Oh, okay. I mean, it makes sense,
That's what's up.
Then luckily that guy was like, "Listen, I've always wanted to do something like this because I can see what you're doing. So how about you register a business here in Dallas, and then we get you like the sponsorships, and then you bring kids from South Africa to America to come get a good education."
Okay, that is
wow.
Yeah, so by this summer we're gonna have, because we have 2 kids already in line. So by this summer, I need at least 10 kids that I'm gonna take to school for the fall.
Okay.
Oh, that's
dope. That is what's up. Yes. Big congrats on that. Did you smell Mr. Black's fragrance?
I need to smell it.
Yes. And you ain't got, I don't know now, you ain't got no
cologne?
kids. You gonna end up with some kids wearing that.
What is this?
It's black number 7.
Black number 7.
Oh yeah.
Niggas say you got more.
But this one mine's right here.
Did you? You already bought that?
No,
She already put dibs on it. I know that's right. Dang.
Right, and then
Okay.
he got more. Okay.
Well, I ain't know about. I'm
This
waiting on the
mine.
women's favorites.
I mean, I want that too, but I'm gonna get.
Now
my
I'm saying they
man
don't
that.
come out till next month though. You
Get
you
your
gonna buy
man.
that for your husband? I ain't got no daddy to get that
Can we
too.
get this?
And it lasts a long time. You can get it from blackessence.com. That's
You should have that on the bottom of the- on the back of your thing.
Can we, after the show, can you like give me your details and all?
Oh, you can purchase that one. I mean, I don't know. I'm just saying.
He got plenty for sale.
Everything's for sale.
Right.
Yeah.
We need to hook them up with
Oh, girl, for the Q
With
card.
card.
I had
with
I had
The one that
a-
gave me the cup.
Yeah, I had a guest on here last week.
A barcode, all you gotta do is scan it with your phone.
No, we got something better.
But that's what we
Got
talking.
something better.
That's what we talking about though. Hello. But that's what we talking about though. She makes all her Q cards, like she even buys like big earrings and she put her Q card on the back of her earring. She makes shirts and like sweat hoodies and stuff.
And then they
anything she wears,
they
she
like
does a
metal.
Q card, and then come like on the back of it. She does the metal Q cards as well. And you know she got the little tap bracelets too, where you can just tap and all your information comes up as well. But yeah, that's really dope because when we seen it, she had on her earring, her pants, like she could put it anywhere.
Yeah.
That way, it's always a business opportunity. You know, you might not have your phone right there on you, or something. You know what I'm
Phone might be dead or something.
Anything. Yeah, like this jacket you got on, she could give you a Q card, put it right here, and you could just tap. Somebody could tap it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna inbox you her information. She's pretty dope too.
Okay, we
Yeah.
appreciate that.
Yeah, she pretty dope. Yeah, that would be nice. But like she was saying, put it on the back of your bags.
Yeah.
That'd be dope. Okay. That'd be dope. But yeah, I'm gonna inbox you her information.
Okay.
Yeah. What did you take in
It
college?
could be on the back of your
Hey,
Bible.
Royal. Oh yeah, or even on the bottom.
It'll be on the
and
back
like
of your
on the back
bottle,
of those.
Yeah, but people get rid of bags, but the bottles always stay.
Yeah, that's true.
So your QR code can be on the back of your bottle.
So if they want to
and it can
reorder,
always-
refill.
Yeah. It could be on your bottles. They can place them on your bottles.
Joy, Erica. What was her name? Split personality, the singer. I can't think of her name. The one with the Q card.
The one that with the
they sent y'all the cups. Oh, and I picked up the other gifts they had for us. It's in the car. I ain't bringing the box.
Don't
in.
forget.
Yeah, she got my
Thank
name,
you,
y'all.
girl.
Yeah.
You appreciate. Oh, I gotta holler at Miss Vicky too.
Okay.
What you asking? What he take in college?
Yeah, what did you take up in college?
I did mass communication. So I started off with political science back home. Then I saw like the textbooks. I was like, fuck no, I'm not doing this. So I said, let me just go into something where I know my strengths lie, where I kind of don't have to study, which is mass communications.
Okay.
Which is like broadcasting, radio, and just thinking of like, you know, the top of your head. If they give you a topic, how are you going to solve it, you know? So I've done a lot of radio too. So mass communications is what I specialize in. I do a lot of public speaking, trying to move on to the philanthropist side, you know, of things. And trying to get my book written out very soon.
Okay. Talking about get that man his bells.
Need more black men.
Okay.
I do have a question for Mr. Black. What made you get into dog food? Making your own brand?
My dog didn't eat everything. You know, he's real picky. Take him all day to eat a bowl. You know, I was like, I could do better than this. I saw commercials about farmer's dog and stuff like that. The human grade dog food. I tried it. He tore it up.
What kind of dog?
boxer pit mix.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So my puppies I just had is bulldog pit mix.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I'm still
Yeah.
fucking dog food.
Oh yeah, Connie. He got dog. CC. He got dog food too. He got dog food coming out. It's not out yet, but it's coming out in a couple of months.
Oh.
Jack of all trades, baby. Creating. Now you definitely create generational wealth. Do you have kids?
All my kids grown.
All my kids.
Yeah.
So how many?
Well, how many?
Right.
All my
kids.
All my kids. Like
I ain't got no kids. They
like
grown.
the stories. All my kids.
All my kids.
All my kids.
I got 2 boys, 2 girls. The youngest is 20.
Okay.
The oldest is like 36.
Okay. Now, do they work with you on some of these ideas, or
All
they
of
off
them
into
had
their own thing?
They got their own thing going on.
Path and
Okay.
doing their own thing out here.
So maybe one of the grandkids one day pick it up or
I don't
something.
have any grandkids.
No, I'm saying one day.
I got my
Don't speak that to him.
youngest.
He's too young.
Look, my youngest is expecting now, so I'm.
Well, there you go.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right. Big congrats.
Congratulations.
Okay. That's what's up.
Who
See?
we have
That's
joining
gonna
us
be
on
our
this
generational,
stage, on this panel?
Is this your DJ? No. Oh, okay. I know you. Your DJ, which was with you last time.
Yeah,
I thought he was coming back with you.
No.
Oh, okay. Yeah, he has a DJ too that he it's like Coming to America. When he walk in, he be playing
Oh,
music
Lord,
and stuff.
really?
You know what I'm saying?
It's the rose petals too. King of Zamunda up in here.
Hey, look, now I was just playing though.
Nah, he said
but no, he do has a DJ that goes with him to certain events though. and
Well, he
play
made
the
it like he
music.
do be playing when he walk in. You said yeah.
He was going along with me.
Oh, well, don't be lying. Cause I'm
That was like for real.
Where he at? Bring him so I can see that shit. I want to see.
Now,
No, but who we got on the panel, though?
now, what's your name, sir?
My name M Double.
M Double. You are a rapper, right? You're an artist.
Yeah,
Okay,
artist.
yeah.
Okay, right.
He was supposed to be on Justo's show earlier. He was running a little late
How
though.
everybody doing? My fault.
No
Okay,
problem.
right.
Okay, how you
Sit on
doing?
down. We don't
I
know
ain't
who he
wanna
is
interrupt
now.
y'all
Yeah, I
conversation,
feel
yeah.
you. Welcome to Gloves
Scully
Off.
on and stuff.
Why you
Yeah,
only
I know
bring
what's going on
enough
with-
Eve for you and not enough for us?
You know what that is?
What is it?
This right here. Oh, that's the name of a drink. I went to this juice bar. I got my hair done early.
And it's all you all bundled up. You
I
want to see
know,
the
you should call.
Right. You know what I'm saying? Take it off.
You
Take it off.
Take it out. Take it out.
That ain't me saying
You
take
got
it
Oh,
out.
that's right. Yeah, that's the look. The push. Okay, you got stuff. I got rated today too.
You kind of look like Hurricane Chris.
Yeah,
Who's
she
Hurricane Chris?
Yeah, this my homegirl, B Structure. She just opened up her shop. She had like a little booth out in Florissant, but she just opened up her shop today. So
Hey, tilt your head down and show the people.
Okay.
What's
okay.
her name?
Brittany, B Structure. You can find. You gonna see more on TikTok. Yeah.
Okay, now what type of artist are you? I briefly had got, you know what I'm saying, a little information on my way here today. So I was like, yeah, tell them to stay over.
I'm like hip hop. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting more. I got a few like songs for like women that's out, but I'm mainly like trap artists. I just dropped the EP. It just dropped on the 9th.
Okay.
Congratulations.
Right on.
Big congrats.
Did you got something with you?
It's online. It's on YouTube.
Just go.
We gonna pull it up.
Look, I don't be remembering. Let me see how
Come
I
on,
get to
girl, you the
girl,
we been doing
look.
this
Don't
for
you remember how to do that?
What's your name?
Oh, you already got it up?
No.
Type in M
You got the YouTube on your
space.
Oh, okay.
Hold on, this
Was she
keyboard
doing
don't
the
work.
play
It
over
don't
there?
work. The
Oh,
keyboard don't work.
okay.
Keyboard don't work.
Just so got us. So how long have you been rapping?
Y'all heard the song "Bring That Mono Back" before? Bring that mono back.
Bring that mono back.
Y'all
I
heard
think
that?
so. I think so. What is it? M what? Hold on.
M double.
I just know
M
Gaddy.
space.
Okay. Never mind.
He got
That ain't it.
yeah. But I've been rapping for a minute, like 15 years long.
You
know
said
what I'm saying? I'm
M.
getting
How old are you?
D-U-B-B-L-E.
D-U-B-B-L-E.
B-L-E.
I'm an 80s
Oh.
baby. I ain't gonna tell you
M
my
double?
age, but I'm
You ain't
born
gonna tell
in
us
the
your
80s.
age.
We
What
older than you.
Right,
I'm
at the
an
end of
80s
the
baby,
day.
though. That's all I'm gonna say.
So it's
So you
M-
like 89.
So it's M space.
That's what it's giving.
That's
Wait a
when I
minute, it's M
graduated.
space DUBLE.
Shut up.
BBLE.
Oh, BBLE. So M space
By the grace of
BB.
God.
LE.
BBLE. Oh, I done added some more letters and stuff.
Well,
Fucking people.
you and Mr. Black probably around the same age range. It's okay. You ain't alone.
I ain't
No, I'm
worried
happy at
about
my age. You know, I made it out. Like,
I
for real, I
look
made it out the
good.
streets.
You don't seem like
Well,
happy,
are
no
you
one
from
jealous.
St. Louis
Yeah,
originally?
I'm from the South Side.
Okay. What part?
it. He was one
All
of them bad
over.
Shock the
motherfuckers.
rocket, dude.
All
You say
over. I'm
she
from
say
all over the South.
she
Grew
said
up
you was
everywhere.
one of them bad ones.
Hey,
I
Everybody
wasn't
on
the
the South
baddest.
Side,
I
though. I wasn't the
remember.
He
baddest.
said he
I
wasn't
done
the
seen him
baddest.
before.
You seen him before?
Yeah.
Okay, so M space D as in door, U BB.
LE.
It keep wanting me to click on somebody else.
You clicking on who
Scroll
you
down a
wanna
little bit.
click
Just don't know
on.
what you're
Space
doing.
D
That's
U
what it's giving.
BB.
LE.
I bet not find this
LE.
first.
It had a J in there.
Nah, you put that shit in there.
Nah, cause that's what keep. Shut your
Right,
ass
that's
up.
why- that's why
I
just
went
don't
and have
laugh
late
because-
motherfucking ass. Don't come in here.
Bitch, I told you I was gonna be late. I had to
Lord,
no.
condolences.
Don't
to
bring
my
the
baby.
obituary. You ain't got to explain yourself.
Yeah, we like
What?
the job.
First of all, she
Yeah.
finally on
Yeah.
time and she want to call somebody out for being
Hey,
late.
you know I was popping my shit. I saw big fella. I said, "Where them hoes at?" Cause I don't see it.
Click that second topic right there. That one, yeah. Click that.
Okay.
There it go, right there.
Now what we gonna do, Justo?
Oh Lord, this girl should
I
know
don't
this
know.
by now.
What song you want us to play?
Click that first.
He said
Just
click
first
that,
one.
yeah.
Okay.
333.
Yeah.
333 in St. Louis. What that mean?
Imagine
Well, it's like got meaning. You know, my number's like 333. So like what I'm working on now, I'm just.
That's your
going
favorite
around.
number, or like your
Well,
number?
it's like a
birth
spiritual
number,
number, like a.
Well-
if you look it up, 333.
Hey,
It's
just let him
spiritual.
tell
The
y'all.
chakra
or some shit or
It's
some
spiritual, but
Oh.
like I'm from third
That's what
district. You know what I'm
it's
saying?
soccer?
Third
He
district.
from the
like,
third district.
Yeah, that's
On the
where-
south side.
Third district.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
I
where I
ain't
bought my first piece of property from.
Okay.
I still own
Okay,
that.
property,
damn
black
bill,
man, black man.
You right? Give him his.
And it just got meaning. I just took the 3 and I just kind of ran with the 3. Kind of, you know, it's embracing where I'm from, the hood, but I kind of have to try to talk about, like, dwell on, like, the trap and all that
Okay.
street stuff I used to be on. You know what I mean?
You got kids?
Yeah,
Okay. How many you got?
twins. That's it.
Twins.
Oh,
Aw, how old
Boys
are
and
they?
girls.
Twin boy.
How old are they?
They 17 this year.
Oh,
Damn.
okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you
old
was
are you?
popping
Right,
young.
I was about to say, you look young. Like,
Everybody
he
said,
at
I
89.
said I'm
Look
born
at
in the
him
80s.
again.
I said I ain't gonna tell you.
I'm giving him 89.
Nah.
she
but
said 89.
goddamn.
I don't know. I give him 83.
Hell no, he ain't older than me.
That's all I'm gonna say.
You say he ain't older than you. Now you got me acting like we do. Ask us our age.
I don't know why I don't say that though. But,
I got you. How long you been rapping though?
like 15 years.
15.
Yeah.
Okay.
I took it serious about like I say about 8 years ago.
Okay.
What made you start rapping?
My brother, like he the one who wrote that song, Bring That Mono Back. Him, him and my partner was writing it in my kitchen. And then we had it on the radio, everybody doing a dance to it. You know, they had it in the monastery.
Okay.
He got real popular off of it. He got a record deal.
Okay.
And that's how I got into it. I just was supporting him for real, and then just start getting into it more. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. Cool.
Okay, my fault.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, look, right, because we could hear you, but.
My bad.
so I'm
who's that?
I'm a
Top
press
Notch?
play.
Yeah.
That's your brother?
Yeah.
What's his name?
Somebody cheating.
He ain't never been like we was just cool. We was just cool.
Get a cookie. Get a cookie.
We was just
Hey,
cool.
Can't get me.
That's crazy
Hey,
because
she
I had
did
just
this,
seen
like,
him in the little after hour spot on West Florida. It's been about a year since I've been there with you.
Oh, okay.
He
Oh,
was
yeah,
up in
that was
the
a
80s.
minute
That was a
ago.
while ago.
Who was what's the name? What was his name? What's his brother's name?
Top Notch.
Oh, Top Notch. Okay, so I just hit play just though. I don't see the play, but It was okay.
Hey, my music
so what's
a
the
little trap.
Now the name of this song
It's
is
a little-
333 in St. Louis.
Music a little trap now.
Oh, we like trap. We like ratchet.
I try not to curse too much. In my
We
music,
like
so.
trap. We
Good.
like ratchet.
Try not
we
to,
always
but
talk
it
curse.
just happened to be like that.
It's for St. Louis. Like.
I mean, you
So
know,
while
we
we,
St. Louis.
So I know you met our famous soccer player, and we introduced you to Mr. Black?
Smell Mr. Black cologne.
Yeah, I was about to say, while we play your music, I want you to smell Mr. Black cologne. That is Black No. 7, his own fragrance. Come on now, black folks. Stand up. And we're going to play 3:33 a.m. in St. Louis.
3 a.m. in the CL, trapping through them gun shells. Man, I caught a plane in the city at every Taco Bell. Serve your ass like Mickey D's, like a Big Mac with cheese. Pull up in your hood with the sack.
Yo, Dopey, turn me up.
Like I'm pushing P, 3 a.m. in the CL, like I'm pushing.
Okay, we gonna play this though. Okay.
3 a.m. in STL, trapping through them gun shells. Man, I caught a play in the city at every Taco Bell. Serve your ass like Mickey D's, like a Big Mac with cheese. Pull up in your hood with the sack, like I'm pushing peace. Nigga, I'm just doing me, but really I ain't doing shit. Take off months at a time, come back and drop a hit. I went rolls on my wrist, then them tears on my fit. I'm so focused on my money, I done went cold on my bitches. All my phones up to date and all my homes up to date. I could've bought a busted Cuban, but I'd rather be a baby. I play for keeps. These hoes will do you shady. Quarterback the trap for 12 years. Call me Tom Brady. I doubt that you can keep your mouth closed and do 20 years. Bitch ain't got $100, but she wanna have some kids. Jokers played on me. I guess them fools made they bed. Built my own buzz without Nelly Mo and Sexy Red.
Yeah.
Now, okay.
It's a little trap. This is more the single one that I'm shooting a video to. The first one, that's just like trap. Just
that
all
get back.
dedicated. Yeah.
They get back.
Yeah, that's
okay,
the
that's
more
what
like
was playing
Hollywood
next.
one. Yeah.
Okay. Let's see what this about.
Yeah. It's more like Universal. That one more straight St. Louis trap.
You know the
I
rain
ain't wanna
coming.
go. You know, I be sometimes singing in my
saved up
like
so
just
I'm
playing
gonna
with
stay.
auto.
Yo, Dopey,
Okay.
turn me
It's
up.
like strictly trap for St. Louis. though.
That's
Hey,
what's up.
hey, 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 Racks, get back. Racks, get back. Hey, 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 hey. Racks, get back. Racks. I'ma keep feeding the streets. Diamond shine on my teeth. How they keep talking about 3, but not mentioning me. Goddamn, teach these little niggas they history. Just because you got a little paper, you still can't fuck with me. Pull up all black truck, looking presidential. I'm low key scared to do business cause y'all niggas snitching. Smoking, and the windows tinted. I counted $20,000, then took my mom to dinner. When I look you in your eyes, I know you pretending. You can't fake this lifestyle, it's gotta be in you. Last year I did it big, this year was bigger. Catch me in the club buying women liquor. Racks, hey, 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 hey. Racks, get back. Racks.
Sorry. Marshall Orris did it. He just walked in the building.
Get back.
It's his time.
Hey, hey,
Get your ass up.
Rex. Get back. Rex. Get back.
What's up? What's up?
I appreciate y'all interrupting y'all show. Get back.
You good?
Get back. Hey, 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 Rex. Get back. Rex.
No, you are good. We love guests. I don't do Instagram too much. I can't tell you what my Instagram is, but if you pull up your Facebook, we can network that way. I'm gonna pass this. Oh, but they got Instagram. Here you go. Cookie. He wants your Instagram information.
Y'all just wanted to tag y'all show.
That's what's up. That's what's up. And then you know you can also tag us at Gloves Off Ear Popper too.
Okay.
Gloves Off with TVG.
Oh no! I mean on Facebook, but you know we on YouTube. But now our page not set up on.
Well, I'll go to y'all live and share it on my page. I'm
gonna send you the video. That's why I said pull up your Facebook.
All right.
And
I took a little shot though.
So how can the people get in touch with you though? I know you say you got a performance tonight at the Ambassador.
Yeah. Just on Instagram.
Let us know about their performance. Thank you, y'all.
So the show, K Red. I don't know if y'all heard of her. K Red.
Yeah, I know K Red.
And
she from the hood.
Gweezy Butter and Alley Cat. They put it together.
Okay.
They just got a lot of artists. Got me involved.
That's
it's
dope.
Really they show. I'm just a part of it. So
okay, that's what's up.
It's like I have a dream show, like sort of like Martin Luther King. They got a lot of artists.
That's dope. Okay.
Artists from Colorado, Kansas City. You know, it's a lot of artists.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how can the people follow you?
On TikTok and Instagram, MDUBBLE 333. That's my Instagram.
Alrighty, and that's on Instagram and
on TikTok. Yeah.
On TikTok,
Them the only ones I'm really like.
That you really be on. Okay, Mr. Black, let the people know again how they can follow you and stay up to date on your many fragrances and dog food, cat food, food.
He didn't say cat food.
No, he working on cat food too.
Okay.
That's why TVG Quinn was saying he gonna get something for her babies, her fur babies.
That's blackessence.com. BlackEssensCents.com.
Oh, righty. Yeah. Okay, and that's where they can see everything that you got going on, right?
Everything. Yep.
That's what's up. All right, Mr. Sock it to me. Now, pronounce your name again for me.
It's Lindo Zimba.
Lindo Zimba.
Yeah.
Okay, Lindo. All righty.
Like Linda.
Like the chocolate,
Linda?
Like the street.
What street?
Lindo.
Oh, Lindo. Oh, but it's Lindo, ain't it?
Lindo, yeah.
Lindo.
Oh, Lindor. Okay, so right now you're not currently playing for a team, right?
I still am in Colombia when I'm spring season, but then in the summer I'll just have to make like a decision whether I'm playing or not, because I mean it's the World Cup. The World Cup's coming here. So
the World Cup, okay.
I'm trying to take a few breaks and just go watch my boys play.
Okay. So have you ever played?
Oh no,
okay.
I haven't, but I have a few friends who are currently participating.
That's what's up. Okay, and let the people know how they can also follow you and follow your career.
Oh, they can go on Instagram _Lindo Zimba, Facebook Lindo Zimba.
Now spell that for the people.
So on Instagram it's _LINDOZIMBA. Then Facebook just Lindo Zimba LINDO space ZIMBA. If you want to see the foundation, it's a Zimba Foundation, which is ZIMBA Foundation. It's also on my bio on my main page.
Okay, now. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. You know, black folks coming together, making big moves, okay? Yes. That's what I'm talking about. And lately, that's all we've been having on the show. I really do appreciate everyone that came out today. We learned a lot about life insurances and what the different policies actually mean, you know. So, yeah, y'all just keep rolling with us. You know what I'm saying? We trying to bring a lot of awareness and everything to our show. You know, if you, like I said, if you want to interview, you want to start your own podcast, come up here to Overtime Studios, 3119 Holla at Justo, okay? If you got a topic, you want to jump on Gloves Off with TBG and speak on it, y'all can inbox me or any of the hosts that you may know. Inbox them and say, hey, I want to come on there and pop my shit. You know what I'm saying? Again, if you missed the beginning of the show where we had a couple life insurance agents on there speaking on the life insurance, roll it back on YouTube or start this live over, like and share. Again, True Bad Girls is sponsoring a young male to prom this year. Prom is April 18th. We accept all donations. No amount is too small. Even if you got $5, hey, it all adds up.
Yeah.
Help us. We're reaching out to our St. Louis community. Help us put a bright smile on this young man's face.
I got y'all.
This
I'm
is
gonna
what
leave
we
some
do.
today. I'm gonna leave some for you.
Oh, well, we appreciate it.
Thank you.
We like gifts and things. Oh, man,
Yeah.
just I need
That ain't a gift, that's
I
for
need a
our,
reliable bill.
Nah, I thought about
For our
that too.
nonprofit.
The
Yeah, it's
girl,
for the nonprofit.
The girl shop that I just left, like we did like back to school hairdos for like the girls. I think I paid for her to do like 10 heads.
That's what's up.
I
That's
gave
dope.
her the money. She did
Hey,
10
that's
heads.
dope.
So we was talking about doing something this year for like
that's a
prom
blessing.
too.
Okay.
Like same
Yeah.
thing. So
Yeah,
I got y'all
that's
too.
dope.
I'm
We
gonna
looking
leave
for-
y'all
we
some.
we
appreciate
looking for a lot
you.
of shit.
We appreciate you. And if y'all didn't get the information about the Black number 7, please roll it back for them, Mr. Black, and let these
I'ma
people
double
know
back on you
how
too.
they can,
I got
you know, how they men smelling good.
Yeah, that's blackessence.com. Once again, that's BLACQESSCENTS.com.
Cookie.
Oh, that's right.
I'm just saying. Thank you, Mr. Black. Hey,
Thank you so
y'all
much.
heard it here first. That Black number 7 by a black man. Okay, we making history happen, networking on Love Talk with TBG. Thanks for rolling with us, checking us out. Y'all know, tune in next Saturday. As usual, from 2 to 4, Miss Queen, we out of here.
Bye.
And we do not own the rights to the music that's going to be playing in this background.
We need to, let me transfer this into the account.
We
right
gonna
now.
give us 1 second. We gonna take some pictures real quick.
Okay.